Allah who is the most beneficent and merciful. Students, today we will discuss the article electromagnetism, and this article is very important as far as A level physics is concerned. And in this particular article, we will define electromagnetism, and then we will discuss what is an electric field and magnetic field, and what is the difference between these two fields. Students, first of all, look at its definition. An electric current through a conductor an electric current through a conductor produces the magnetic field around it, produces the magnetic field around it. The magnetic effect of the current of current is called electromagnetism. And it's another definition. Students, I have just written the definition of electromagnetism. An electric current through a conductor produces the magnetic field around it. The magnetic effect of the current is called electromagnetism. And its another definition is, it is the branch of physics which interrelates electricity and magnetism. And it is named as electromagnetism. Now students, in that particular article, we have to discuss here what is the difference between electric field and magnetic field. Students, when the charges are at rest, then electric field is produced around the charge. And now come to magnetic field. And when the charges are moving with are moving with uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. Then current is produced. Then current is produced, and due to this magnetic field is produced. So students, look at the case here. When the charges are at rest, I mean they are not moving, electric field is produced around this charge. And when the charges are moving with uniform velocity, when the charges are in motion, you all know current is produced. And due to this, a magnetic field is produced around the wire in which the current is passing. So that is the difference between electric field and magnetic field. Now come to the other differences. Look at the case here, students. When the charge enters the electric field, when the charge enters in the electric field, it experiences electric force. Look at the case, students. When the charge enters in an electric field, it experiences an electric force. When the charge enters in a magnetic field, it experiences magnetic force. It experiences a magnetic force. So therefore, electric field and magnetic field and magnetic field are called force fields. Are force fields, students. They are force fields. Look at the case here, students. When a charge enters an electric field, it will experience an electric force. And similarly, when a charge enters in a magnetic field, it will experience a magnetic force. So therefore, electric field and magnetic fields, they are force fields. So they are force fields, students. They are called force fields. Now look at the case here, students. Let's suppose we have the positive charges here and we have the negative charges here. So the electric field lines, they start from positive charge and end on negative charge. So we have the two charges, one is the positive one and the other is negative one. The electric field lines, they start from positive charge and end on negative charge. They terminate on this side, on the negative charge. They end on negative charges. So if these charges are separated by some distance, let's suppose we have the positive charges here, then the electric field lines, they are drawn outside. Just like that. They are drawn outside. and if the charge is negative, the electric field lines they are drawn inside like that. So it means electric field, in case of electric field, monopole exists. I mean, it's a monopole. Electric field lines, they are drawn outside, electric field, they are coming inside. So monopole exists in case of electric field. And now come to magnetic field. Let's suppose we are the magnet is there. Let's suppose this pole is north pole and this pole is south pole. Magnetic lines of force, they start from north pole but in this case they are not terminated at this side. They are moving from north to south and south to north. So they are cyclic. So they are not terminated, they are not ending on this side. I mean, they start from north to south and then south to north. So it's a cyclic. Not in this case. In case of electric field, the electric lines of force, they start from positive and end on negative. It's not a cyclic one. And magnetic lines of force, they are cyclic. They start from north pole and north to south and then south to north. So it's a cyclic process. And if this, let's suppose if this magnet is cut into two pieces like that, is a north pole, is a south pole. And if it cut into two pieces, side we have the south pole is there, and on the other side automatically north pole appears. And if this end is let's suppose that is the north pole, automatically south pole appears on this side. So in case of magnetic field, monopole does not exist. As I already discussed, monopole exists in electric field like that. The positive charge electric field lines, they are coming outside. Electric field lines, they are coming inside. But in case of magnetic field, where the magnet is there, magnetic line, they start from north and then south and then south to north. It's a cyclic one. Cut into pieces, then the other poles, they appear automatically. If this is north one, cut into two pieces, the south pole appears on the side automatically. If this one is south and north pole appears on the side automatically. So the important thing is, in case of magnetic field, monopole does not exist. So that is the case. And we have another differences like that. An electric force is an accelerating force. And in case of magnetic field, magnetic force is a deflecting force. I mean, it deflects the charged particle. And in case of electric field, if a positive charge enters in electric field, it will definitely go towards the negative end. And if a negative charge enters, it will go definitely towards the positive end. So I mean, electric force is an accelerating force and magnetic force is a deflecting force. Another difference is, electric force does work. Work is done by electric force because it is an accelerating force. But in case of magnetic field, magnetic force does no work because it deflects the charge at 90 degree, and we all know W is equal to FD cos 90, and we all know cos 90 is 0. So in case of magnetic field, magnetic force does no work, but in case of electric field, the electric force does work. That in case of electric field, that in case of magnetic field. The first one is monopole exists, and in this case no monopole exists. Monopole exists. And the next one is electric force acts on the charges at rest. If the charges are at rest, electric force exists. Electric force exists if charges are at rest. And on the other side, magnetic field, magnetic force does not exist. Magnetic force does not exist if the charges are at rest. If the charges are at rest, the magnetic force does not exist. So students, in that way, first of all you must know what is electromagnetism, and then you must know what is electric field and magnetic field, and in the last, what is the difference between electric field and magnetic field. So students, in that way this article comes to an end, and thank you all.